Hi friends, and welcome back. So we have our 6 laying hens that we had purchased, our babies, and they want to get out and roam around in the grass. So we're deciding today to go ahead and cut that door out for them to come out. And then we've got our Premier One fencing that we want to try out, and we're going to put around here and see how it works. A little trial run before we get the meat birds coming in a couple weeks. So come on along while we get that going. Alright, so I'm going to cut this out right here. I've already got it outlined. This is where we're going to put the door for the chicks to come out and graze on the grass. I've got my new jigsaw that I'm going to use to go ahead and cut this off. Put this up and measure it and see how accurate my measurements were. I'd say that wasn't too bad. Alright, so I'm in the inside of the coop right now, and I'm going to be placing these bricks on the outside as a stairs for the chickens to be able to get up and get out onto the ramp. Alright, so we've got the stairs in place. This is temporary until we can cement it in if we decide to use this as our permanent brooder. If not, then this is just temporary until we find something different. But I packed the dirt in pretty tight so it keeps these pretty strong. So the chickens should be able to get up here and get out and to graze into the grass. Alright, so now I got the Premier fencing, so I'm going to go ahead and take this out and get it out and see how much of it we can get around the grass. We got it up. It doesn't look as good as I was hoping it would look. It is pretty flimsy. We had to come through with these other T-posts and put them in to kind of help with the structure of it. This is not electrified. It can be. We did not get the generator to go with the Premier fencing, but we are going to order it because we realized that the chicks are going to get through the holes. And as you can see, one of them over there is trying. They already decided to come out, and they came out through the ramp just as I hoped they would. And they are loving the grass. So, not a bad first time using the fence. We'll perfect it as we get more and more doing it every year. We didn't end up using all the fencing with this because it was small. Once they grow, we're going to bring them out to pasture and rotate them out there. So this will be used completely, and it will be more in a square shape versus this zigzag throughout the whole thing. So once they're out to pasture, this should look a little bit nicer with the square shape. She caught a bug. Alright friends, thanks for stopping by the homestead today and checking out what we've done for the chicks that are going to be coming in the next couple weeks. Please, as always, like, subscribe, share with your friends and family, leave a comment. Hope all is well, and have a great day.